बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning seashell craft ideas. These are super amazing and very stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are super stunning and incredible seashell craft decoration ideas. If you want different other kind of videos on my channel about craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section, then I will upload those videos on my channel about different craft. These are very pretty and very amazing seashell craft ideas for you guys. Always take care guys, always be happy. These are very amazing and very unique seashell craft ideas. Always take care guys, always be happy, and these are very trending and very amazing seashell craft ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you like these seashell craft ideas. You must try and make these type of seashell craftwork at your homes, and you also watch tutorials on YouTube, then you easily make these type of centerpieces ideas at home. Hope so you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Take care of yourself, be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.